Okay, back to this problem. I got to figure out what half of 1 5/7 is. Half of 1 5/7. I'm going to multiply. So I'm going to worry about that down here. 1/2 times 1 5/7. Let's make that improper. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 5 is 12. 12 sevenths. 12 and 2 have a common factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 7 is 7. I'm going to bring down that 6 because we know that has to be equal to 6, but not just that. This plus 3 and 3/7 plus 1 and 5/7. Thankfully, I have all common denominators. Whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5. This was 3 and 3/7. It's hard to read my 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 6. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 plus 14 sevenths is equal to 6. 4 plus, what is 14 sevenths? 14 divided by 7 is 2. Is supposed to be equal to 6. What's 4 plus 2? 6 is equal to 6. What did we just prove? We just proved that 6 equals 6? No. What were we trying to figure out? We were trying to test this. Is my morning walk really 1 5/7 miles? Well, if that's true, my morning walk is here, 1 5/7, and my evening walk is 2.5 times as big. Well, 2.5 times 1 5/7 is 1 5/7 plus 1 5/7 plus half of 1 5/7. You can see that we could have multiplied 2 times 1 5/7 to make this a little easier. But it's the same thing. Repeated addition is the same as multiplication. We proved that our morning walk is indeed 1 5/7 of a mile. Thank you for watching the most difficult problem in the world. Just kidding. But it is a toughie. It's a toughie. Boy, do I miss you guys. I was thinking about you today while I was outside and I was weeding in my garden. And I was thinking about all the things we used to do when you'd come into my room and we'd talk about how the day is going and maybe things are getting crazy in the hallway. I miss all those things. I miss it when you were feeling sad and you'd tell me about it, or when you were feeling happy and you wanted to share it with me. I miss all of those things much more than I miss just finding out how many miles my stinking morning walk was, because I don't even have a dog. I kind of wish I had a dog. I'm thinking about getting a dog, but then I'd have to clean up after the dog. And I think my morning walk would have to be far shorter than that, because my evening walk could not be that long. Because who in the world would make dinner if I walked that long? And then my family would be hungry and everything would be terrible. Sure miss you guys.